The Walter Luth Estate Farm is a feature-rich 40-acre property situated beautifully against the backdrop of the Purcell Mountains in Creston, BC, here in Canada. The property looks westerly out onto the Creston Valley and is located within a comfortable 7 miles of the town of Creston. There is also a convenient corner grocery store, combination post office and coffee shop within a 5 minutes drive. The property is located off a well-maintained road that cuts into the landscape as it approaches the house, so that the living area is shielded from view and excess road noise. With few neighbors within view, there's a sense of privacy and solitude further enhanced by the hundreds of acres of adjacent publicly controlled forest to the south. The main farmhouse is classic 60s or 70s construction with electric furnace, 2 fireplaces, and wood stove. It includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a full-size basement with its own entry, suitable for construction of an in-law suite, with room even to add an elevator between floors. It also has an enclosed double carport on the lower level. There are 4 distinguishable areas of the property: an upper 4 or 5 acre piece of mostly cleared land, a main 15-acre section with farmhouse and various buildings, pastures and corral, and a 3rd and 4th section that is separated by a stand of trees that slopes gently down to a 20-acre area. This acreage is approximately 2/3 new forest, with the remaining 1/3 comprised of a large pasture with a small pond suitable for swimming or stocking with freshwater fish. The woodlot and surrounding area reveals all kinds of wildlife, birds and tree frog sounds that augment the sense of quiet country living with a unique sense of privacy. Looking out over the Creston Valley, this property features incredible sunsets, and surprisingly, even in April, the sun rises spectacularly over the mountain range by 8 a.m. The land has been developed primarily as a horse farm with pasture lands. It features a large training arena, corral, horse barn with 8 stalls, and various smaller buildings including a sauna, goat or storage building, and a rustic chicken house. Let's take a moment to listen to some of the actual sounds enveloping this property. A perennial freshwater mountain stream runs between the upper 5 acres and the main house and building areas. With well-rounded features, this 40-acre parcel is suitable for multiple uses, not the least of which makes it ideal for horseback riding among endless riding trails throughout the woodlot and adjacent public lands. As is, the property exhibits a unique topography as the valley quickly levels out from this point out from the Purcell Mountains. For further high-resolution photography of this property and contact information about the sale of it, please visit CrestonFarm.com.